Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you what to do if you cannot find the Gallery app on any Samsung phone. If you cannot find the Gallery app anywhere, then maybe slide up on your home screen and go to the search bar. And now you should be able to type in Gallery. Most probably you will find it by now, but if you still don't, then you may consider to search for Photos instead of Gallery. Then it will find Google Photos. It's a different app than the stock one, but it still works and shows you all your photos. If for some reason any of those apps aren't available, then you may want to go to Play Store and search for the Photos app, and then maybe it was disabled, so you may need to click on it and click on enable here, but I have it enabled, so I don't need to do that. And if for some reason it still doesn't work for you, then there is one last way, which is sliding up on your home screen and searching for Files. It will be My Files app, and then in My Files you can open Images and Videos, and there will be all the images and videos shot on your phone. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.